In this tutorial, I will demonstrate how to use the pattern editor to script videos that contain pattern movements. The pattern editor was actually specifically made for the Cock Hero series. So let's get started. Okay, I have a video loaded here. We're gonna script Cock Hero Shorts episode 1. Okay, so let's script a pretty complex pattern. And I know where that's at, so let's go ahead and just jump directly there. Okay, so as you can see, it's about to do a pattern here, and the pattern consists of 5 short beats and then a long beat. So let's go to the beginning of that pattern. Okay, it starts about right there. So we're gonna script this like we would normally script any video. Okay, so you can script the pattern any way you like, but how I'm going to do it is for every beat, it's going to be a full penetration. You can make it rumbles, whatever you like. So let's get the time of the next beat. Let's get the time of the first beat here, and then let's get the time of the next beat. Alright, get that. Now we're going to use the MT2 button because, like I said, between each beat it's going to be like one full stroke up, one full stroke down. Alright, and then you can choose any penetration move or anything you like. Press the MT2 button, there you go, you have that. But I want the action to go the whole 5 beats, so let's do that. Okay, there you go. Send it to the action time, and there you go, you have it. Remember to change these settings to whatever you like. Now, once you have that, let's import it to the pattern editor. Okay, we had that first. Now let's do this next beat here. It's like a longer beat. Okay, we have get the start time and get the end time. I'm gonna choose another penetration move. Just choose a BJ. Use the MT2 button again. I'm gonna change this for fun, the starting direction. Okay, now we have it. I'm gonna import the action to the editor. Okay, there you go. So now you have one more part. It's a gap. Now you can make this another action, but I'm gonna make it a gap just so I can show you the gap option. So you need to get the time of this gap, and you're just gonna have to calculate that by hand. So let me mark this here so I remember where the start time is, and I'm gonna get the end of that gap, which is right there. I'm gonna use a calculator. Alright, so let me get the time here. Okay, that's wrong. Let's do it again. Alright, so the gap is 0.462 of a second. I'm going to copy to the gap section here. And there you go, that's the pattern. So let's save this pattern, okay? Let's give it a meaningful name. I like to call it what the beat is, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. Yes, so now every time you see this pattern in a video, it can be anywhere. You can use it. So I'm going to show you that right now. Let's go ahead and use that pattern. So let's go back to the beginning of where this pattern started. Okay, about right there. And get that time, copy it to the start time here. Now let's go to where it ends. It goes on for actually quite a bit. Okay, it's ending right there. So that's where it ended. Okay, so now if you hit this generate to final script button, it would fill in. It will take this pattern and fill it in from the start time to end time. It will repeat that pattern between those 2 times. So that's what we're gonna do. And it's also a nice touch. It also works with scheme too, but I don't have the scheme editor open right here. And so that's it. That's your code. And you can use that pattern, like I said, anywhere you see that in the video. Okay, thank you.